The last few years of my climbing has been devoted to pushing past the levels that I've been at. There's nothing more satisfying than bolting a route that I may not even be able to climb. That motivates me. Rifle is probably one of the most unique climbing areas I know of. I don't really know of any areas that have the same sort of climbing vocabulary and movement that Rifle has. So you have like this really three-dimensional style. You think with your body, you think with your legs, you think with, holds around corners, very 3D. And I really dig that. I spent so much time in Rifle that putting up routes in mediocre rock or like less than mediocre rock is okay. I've had enough time there where I can appreciate, this shape of the wall, the line out the cave, And that kind of route development is not really for everybody. So when it came time to name the route, I had to call it Garbage Pail Kids. The left exit, Planet Garbage. I bolted the line, I think it was 2013, and climbed the original Garbage Pail Kids, then returned this June to try and kind of focus in and try to climb Planet Garbage. But wasn't fit enough, wasn't the right time. The route was still a little wet from the spring and kind of a frustrating experience, but it's how it goes. So I went home, basically spent the months of July and August just focusing in on training, just trying to warp my body and raise my levels in all ways. So the moon board, campus board, hang boards, running, doing laps in the gym, just trying to raise my levels as much as possible in preparation for the climbing season. And it worked. It's interesting to be able to be the author of a route. Your body has to be the language that that route is written in.
Money in my hand, and I will do the things you want me to.
At the end of the day, when I put a route up, I want to climb it too. It's for everybody, but definitely I want the experience as well. And to be able to see it through, to be able to be the author, and then to be able to complete it and walk away with this, feeling of utter completion. Like that's really special to me, man. And I don't get that in many other avenues of climbing.